Hey guys, this is Geoff, and today we are going to stand up for the humble chicken breast because, well, I feel like it gets a lot of unnecessary and unjust. Did I say unnecessary? Unnecessary? How many glasses of wine have I had?
2, I think.
I feel like
Negative press.
I feel like it gets a lot of unnecessary flack, and I see a lot of people on the socials, various Facebook groups, perhaps the very one that you're watching this from right now, that doesn't like chicken breast because it's dry. Chicken breast is not dry. It's your technique that's not quite right, I would hazard a guess. And so today we are doing chicken breast that does not suck. Let's go.
Creepy eyes.
Okay, so this is more of a method than it is a recipe really, and it's very easy, and this video is going to be very fast, so watch it till the end. I've got 3 chicken breasts here and a cheeky little Ziploc bag, and all we need to do is pull off that excess fat. Put this inside a Ziploc, and you're probably asking why are you doing that? Well, I'm about to tell you why. Because obviously with the chicken breast we have one thick end and one thin end, and it is bloody impossible to cook it evenly when that is the case. So what we want to do is get our trusty hammer here, and we don't want to bash it thin. Let me point that straight away. We don't want to bash it thin, we want to make it even. That's all we're doing. So just a few whacks on the thick end. Just like that, that's it. And then we have an even chicken breast. Pop that over there, repeat with the next couple. I'm glad that is in the bit that I was just about to fast forward, husband. And all done. So the next part of this gloriously simple little method, go away, is that the world's your oyster. You can season this with whatever you like: salt, pepper, lemon, oregano, garlic powder. Make it Asian, soy, sweet soy. We can go more Mediterranean-y, Tex-Mexy, Mexican-y, or whatever the heck you want. The only rule, as you'll see when we fire up the barbecue, is go easy on the sweet stuff because it will burn on the barbecue when we grill it up, and we show you how to do that next. So what I'm doing today, our 3 chicken breasts, so I'm going with more of a Tex-Mexy, Tex-Mex, is that right? I don't know. Paprika-y, cumin-y, garlic powdery thing. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit over. Not heaps, doesn't need heaps. Both sides. So what we have today is smoked paprika, cumin, garlic powder, chipotle chili, salt, pepper, and lime juice. And so I'm going to put that on there now. A few people have asked us, Yaz, about our pepper grinder, which has seen better days and won't stand up anymore.
Best pepper grinder ever.
We're hanging on to this for dear life because it is the best pepper grinder ever. We actually bought it at a shopping centre in Paris, a decade ago.
No, Geoff, it's not a shopping centre, it's the shopping centre.
Okay, I don't remember which one it was.
What's that called? That really incredible.
Oh, it's the
shopping centre. Where they shuck the oysters.
I can't remember the
Jesus.
name of it. We're gonna have to put it on the screen. We'll research and we'll put it on the screen because now you
It'll
look
come
like
to me. It'll come to me.
You look like
No, but you made it sound like you went down to the local Woolies.
Anyway, it's a little bit. It was my first trip overseas, and it's a little bit sentimental, so we kind of hang on to it.
No, it's the best pepper grinder ever.
But it. Oh,
It's not sentimentality.
I got it to stand up. Look at that. That's not gonna stand up for long.
That doesn't happen to you often. There was an opportunity, Geoff.
That is a burn.
There was an opportunity.
That is a righteous burn. All right, fast forward this bit. I feel like it needs a nickname though. I think it should be like the weapon or something.
Okay.
Who's that guy that does that punches up the fridge and stuff on YouTube? That dude can cook or whatever his name is. He calls his pepper grinder Sergeant Gilbert. So I think, and he's reasonably entertaining for in small doses. I think we need to name our pepper grinder. In the comments below, you can see how. Look, it's the grinder that's so good. In the comments below, does it say that it's? No.
Okay, this is not.
It actually says product of Italy on there. We bought it in France, but anyway. In the comments below, name our broken pepper grinder. Please help us out with that one.
So much fun that's going to be.
Well, hey, you want to. You want people to engage. You need people to engage. All right, so the lime, we haven't put lime on yet. The lime goes on as a squeeze over the top, and we're actually going to grill some slices of lime and put those over the top as well. So that's going to be great. That's it. We're done. We're going to head out to the barbecue and preheat it now. You want it around 275 degrees Celsius. I do not know what that Fahrenheit conversion is off the top of my head, so I'll put it on the screen. Somewhere between 275 and 300 degrees Celsius is good. And so you watch it a little bit further into the video. I'm not going to tell you how long we're cooking it for yet, but it's not long. So let's head out there.
Wow.
Right, it's turned out delicious. It looks really juicy. Let's hope I haven't stuffed it up when I cut it. But the takeaways, and the most important thing, stop it.
No, you said
Stop it.
it's delicious. You haven't tried it yet.
Oh, shit. Damn. Okay, this is maybe the 10th take of this bit. I hope the chicken isn't cold by the time we get to it. Looks delicious. I can't wait to cut it. I hope I haven't stuffed it up. The takeaways before we do that, just so we're very clear, it's not really the seasoning or the flavorings that you put on it, but more making sure that the chicken breast is even. That's number one. Number two, 275-ish degrees Celsius, nice hot grill. Number three, 4 minutes aside. And that's for a standard chicken breast. It could be 3 minutes 30. If you've got some kind of giant thing on hormones and steroids, it could be 4 minutes 15 or something. But generally speaking, from what I buy from the supermarket, free range chicken, the very average size is, give or take, it's about 4 minutes aside. And that's really what you want to focus on. Don't mess with it, don't fuss with it. Get the grill right, get it on, and away we go. All right, so let's have a cut into this. We'll take our lime slices off. And that looks delicious. We'll just cut down the mids. And
Look at that.
now look,
Yeah.
look at that. It's wet. It's literally wet inside. Goodness me. Chicken breast is dry. No, it's not dry. The way you cook it is dry. Legit. Look at that. I mean, come on. Come on. And that's rested for 5 minutes. Goodness me. Cheers. Chicken breast is dry. No, it's not.
Someone's dying for a taste.
Oh my gosh. Come here, Bella. Come on, you little rabbit. Oh, wait while she has to put her chewing gum in the bin.
Gross. Look at that. I cannot do it like you.
Come
are
on.
So good.
Open up, Bella. Open up. No, I've got to do it. It's a trick.
Is it hot?
No, it's not hot. Is it good?
Oh, so good. That's the best part.
Come here. Do you want to do the sign off? Do you want to do the sign off?
Well, guys, that was delicious. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
We'll see you on the next one.
See ya!
Cheers, guys.